Hi, in this video, I will show you how to download NordVPN on Samsung Smart TV. So, Samsung Smart TVs run on Tizen OS and NordVPN does not have an official Tizen app. So you cannot install NordVPN directly from the Samsung App Store like on phones or computers. Instead, you can use one of the official supported steps to protect your smart TV traffic. Method 1 is installing NordVPN on your router. So this protects every device on your Wi-Fi, including Samsung TV. Log into your router admin panel and go to VPN or advanced settings, enter NordVPN router configuration, connect and apply settings, and your TV traffic is now encrypted through NordVPN. It protects all apps on TV, no separate TV app needed. Now, method 2 is using NordVPN on a streaming device. So, if router setup is not possible, use a streaming device that supports NordVPN. Compatible devices include Amazon Fire TV Stick, Android TV Box or Nvidia Shield, Apple TV via AirPlay, plus iPhone VPN. Setups include going to Amazon App Store, searching NordVPN, installing and opening it, and logging in with your NordVPN account. Connect to a server, open any streaming app. For example, Samsung TV apps will use the VPN. Works with many services and it's easy. Now, you can use mobile hotspot with VPN. So you can use a phone as a Wi-Fi source for your Samsung TV, connect your phone to a NordVPN, turn on mobile hotspot, connect your Samsung TV to that hotspot, all TV traffic goes through VPN automatically. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.